In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background colors in Tradingview. Whether you're new to Tradingview or looking to customize your charts, modifying the background color can enhance your viewing experience and help you focus on the most critical aspects of your data. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Tradingview and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the chart that you wish to modify. It's essential to have the chart in front of you, as it allows you to see the changes in real time as you make them. Now that you have your chart open and ready, look towards the top panel where the toolbar is located. You'll find a gear icon here, which is the gateway to personalizing your chart settings. By clicking on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear with various options. This menu is where all the magic happens. Among the various tabs, you'll want to click on Appearance. This section deals primarily with the aesthetics of your chart, including background colors. Once inside the appearance settings, you'll notice various customizable options and controls that let you modify the chart according to your preferences. Locate the background option. It might be a bit concealed among other settings, but once you find it, you'll see a color palette that you can choose from. This area is where you'll pick the color you'd like to apply as the background. There's quite a selection here, offering everything from neutral tones to vibrant hues. As you hover over different colors, you'll notice the background of your chart changes immediately, offering a preview of how it will look. This instant feedback is invaluable for ensuring the color complements your data representation effectively. It's worth mentioning some tips here. If you often find yourself working late into the night, selecting a darker background can reduce eye strain. Tradingview has options for various shades of gray and black, providing a more ergonomic viewing mode. On the other hand, if you're generally working in well-lit environments, a lighter background might suit you better as it often gives a cleaner look to the chart. Once you've selected the background color that pleases your eye and meets your needs, make sure to save your changes. You can do this by simply clicking the OK button at the bottom of the Appearance Settings menu. This action ensures that your color choice is applied, and it will also be saved for future sessions, so you don't have to repeat these steps every time you log into Tradingview. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've now successfully customized your chart's background color in Tradingview, creating a more visually pleasing and functional trading environment. Remember, customizing these settings is all about creating a workspace that is both comfortable and effective for your trading analysis. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.